guys, today we can make teeniest, tiniest books. I got 2 of those. This one is a cat book. This one is so many books, I don't know. And we're making other books, some do. But still teeny tiny books. I like have a lot of teeny tiny things. And we have this one again. This one. And we have this thing. It comes with the new markers. So, that's where it goes. And this thing. We got it. This one I guess is it. And what one we can get? This one's. Let's start. Then first we always need the card. Good. I always start cutting right before my baby. And first we need to make a straight line to make a little tiny book. It's a little teeny tiny book. And we're playing something. We are done, but this is way too big. Look! Big is really big. This is really it. Now we just need to paint it. We don't need to write somewhere. We this will make some pictures. Let's make. Okay. Here. Now here. Make a happy face. How big is the mouth? That's the head. How big is the head? Just make it. Now make some here. Make some here. Like in your hair. Make some there. Done. Now let's draw in this part. Then let's make a house. Here's the door. Here's the window. Here's the other window. And here's the sun. Mother. And done. With this picture. And now diamond heart. That is not a heart. Because it's a heart, but it's not. Now here and the eye and the other eye and here. Done. Done. Then what's this picture? This time, let's make a bigger book with this. Let's make a lollipop. That is some of the treats place. Done. Let's make this from a can. Here's the wrapper. Wait, here. Now we're done. Done. Now some chocolate. My favorite. The chocolate is my only favorite. Some other candies. Let's put some heart. A giant heart. Like a gummy heart. Oh, a gummy bear. Awesome. Got the candy. That can be got the candy. I always like it. Now let's make another one. Do not really go in the drawing. Now then, let's make it loose. I need the pink one, but I have a heart. Let's go. Wait. Where is it? Oh, yeah. There's a pink one. Let's make a look. Yeah. A giant candy. Wait. Done. And now the wrapper. The other wrapper. Done. I think I go in purple now. To make the lollipop. Done. Oh, yeah, chocolate. The really big chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate is always my favorite. Oh. I need to a giant heart and effort down. I see it. Let's go inside. Almost done. Almost done and are done. Oh, we forgot to color that. Let's color it. Let's color the lollipop. Oh, it's here. The candy can be yellow, like the lemon candy. That the sum is not my favorite. I have a lot of the snot is my favorite. This is some of my favorite, but this one not. Oh, I need this one. Don't really like lollipops. Oh my gosh. Candies. That's some of my favorites too. Oh, you need to color the heart candy. The heart candy, heart candy, heart candy. The heart candy. I think I already tasted the heart candy before. No, never. Other lemon candy. We're done with the books. This This one I took your color. This one I can color. This color. I color a lot of candy. This is some candy hearts. I think I like candy hearts. Just like all the candy hearts. So this one is some of candy, my favorite story, and this one is some of the bird story. I don't know which one. The happy story. And then actually this too is the happy story where I have happy, sad, happy, sad. The green is sad and the red is happy. This one is the happy one. This one is the bigger one. It's really cute. Oh, this is the candy heart. Bye bye. See you like making tiny bucks. Do it in your house. Bye.